cereal before milk or milk after cereal.
Okay, so yes guys, I'm here today with
Nick or N7, it's up to you.
Okay, awesome, and you can check out this channel down below. I'll leave the link here in the description or somewhere up here. So by the way, trick question, what do you think about this watch?
What the hell, boy?
You like it?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely a good combination of green and gold.
Okay, nice. And if you were to rate this watch from 1 to 10, with 10 being I would definitely buy it,
Yeah.
and 1 being not interested, how much would you rate it?
7.5, I think.
7.5.
Yeah.
And what would you maybe need to make it a 10?
Maybe a touch of blue inside. I don't know, more color, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, there's actually one that's in blue. So anyway, so I'll talk about this watch in a few more minutes. So just check out the video and you see what's about.
So is it in English cereal before milk or milk after cereal or stuff?
Well, first of all, what's the rule? The rule is cereal first, milk afterwards. So I put the cereal first and then the milk.
Yeah, me too.
That way you get more cereal.
Yeah, sure. It's my school too. But is it the same question as watch in your left hand or watch in your right hand?
Well, I think in Jamaica, men ought to wear watches on our right hand and women on the left. In fact, a woman, well, this is not a fact, it's just what I grew up hearing, so I've never researched it before. A woman would wear her watch like this.
Inside?
Yes, so when you say what's time, she'd be like, it's 2 o'clock. I think that's a woman thing.
Yeah.
There's also this stereotype when I was growing up. It's that when you ask a guy, show his, let me ask you, let me see your fingernails. Okay, normally we do like this or like this. One of the ways is for a woman, one is for a man. I don't remember which is for which.
Alright.
So that was something that we did in primary school to...
So I'm different then. No man.
Yeah, because
no
you did this. I don't know, I've never thought of doing this. But I think women are the ones who do this, while men do this.
Oh yeah, there, like this.
Yes, so,
women,
yeah, so that's the thing.
yeah.
So that's something they'll do at primary school to make fun of boys or something of the sort. So anyways, this is completely random.
Yeah.
So anyways, so first of all, before we continue, Nick here is, what do you call yourself, a composer?
Composer, beat maker, it's up to you.
Okay, so he's all of that and more. And today we'll be doing some music. So I don't know, so do you want to do music now or do this music later?
We can start now. I can show you how to construct to build an instrumental, and then we can produce something together as well.
Alright, sweet. But before that, what got you into music?
Oh, because I like the different sounds, the bass sounds, the frequency. I'm inspired to music since I was maybe 7 or 8, something like this. So yeah.
Okay. Alright, and what's your most popular track yet, or your best track?
Best track. I don't have any best track, but the best album for me would be The Eminem Show by Eminem, obviously. One by Nekfeu, a French artist, a French rapper as well, as I discovered 5-6 years ago. The album is Feu, his name. Very
interesting.
Yeah, Feu, F-E-U.
And how long did it take you to create a composition or a track?
Depends of the inspiration, I would say, but between 4 and 10, 15 hours, depends. It really depends. I can be stuck on one piano to find the perfect combination. It can last very, very long.
Alright, anyway, so let's go make some music. Alright, so I noticed you have some weights there. How much can you curl?
How much can I curl?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
I think it will be probably my maximum, or 1 or 2 kilo each house.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not my maximum, but I'm not far from. Okay. Yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah,
I mean, it's going to the gym so much.
yeah, it's good health.
It is.
Yeah.
So do you still run?
Yeah. I went to run with my friends 2 days ago. I a bit sprained my ankle as well. So, but it's not very good. But we did 8 kilometers around the Lyon. Was good.
The moment you've all been waiting for, the watch. Well, yes. So first of all, just go on Google, type in Filippo Loretti, and that's it. It says Italian style watches. If y'all like Italian, like Italiano, just simply go here. That's a stereotype, you know.
Yeah, go on, you're funny.
Okay, so yeah. So by the way, this is the one I have. It's super cool, yeah. So here we have a sterling green and gold and silver. I'm a colorful guy, I like colorful things. Stainless steel, great bezel. And if you're not a colorful guy, you want something more professional, we have some professional watches. Just go on the website, check it out. I'll leave all the information down in the description box below. Also, follow me on Instagram and you'll see it. Thank you. So let's check out the different styles we have here.
Okay.
For first, Nick said he wanted blue. So if you want, there's this wicked blue here.
Yeah.
And the price is variable. Remember, I have a promo code. So this price will be no more.
Oh, look on the road and drive.
Watch your road, mate.
Yes. Now we're passing. This is Le Dernier Sou.
Le dernier souhait.
Yeah, I pronounced this word so badly. I hate this summer, so we just spent a long time or a little bit talking, and the camera wasn't on. I don't know what. I think camera was on for any of it.
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. So a quick summary. We're talking about Auchan, that is a super big place and that is comparable to Walmart, but it's better. Well, I'm saying the only benefit for Walmart for me is that it gives you products in bulk and it's a little bit cheaper. So
Yeah.
it's a pity that you missed the conversation.
Yeah, that's a shame. Okay.
So, have you ever heard of the Sally Challenge? No. So, I'll be in the video. So this is called Sally Up. So it's a song. Each time we say Sally Up, we go up.
Okay.
Each time Sally Down, we go down.
Alright.
So you have to listen to the lyrics, and even if the person doesn't say up, don't go up again until the person says up.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on, boy. Come on. Hey.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
So how was that? How was that for you?
Very hard. Especially the time when you stay blocked.
Oh yeah. Whew. The next one is that we'll do some planks.
Okay.
I'm not very athletic now. I think 30 seconds is good, no?
Yeah.
Or a minute.
Even a minute.
Okay.
I think I can stay in a minute.
You're lucky you. I don't know if I can.
I think so. I'm not sure. When you want.
Go. Ah. After 3 we give up, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. I was saying give up, why are you still there?
I will try to beat my record.
Oh my god, what's your record?
I think it's about 2.
If I knew you were going to stay down, I would have stayed down too. That's not fair. See, he's cheating. He's definitely cheating. We were together about the same time. But it's fine. Okay, so what's the pro? Okay, this one.
Too hard.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
You know water? Do you want fresh water?
Oh, no water now because you have to control your water intake. For now, people drink water while they're working. For me, I do it literally after.
Okay.
Because for me, I think while I drink water, it for me personally slows me down. The next one
It slows you down?
yeah, it makes me feel a little bit lazy and slow.
Alright.
But for some persons it works, but for me it doesn't.
Okay.
So let's go with the weight. So the next aim is that we're going to be doing 5 reps of 10
Okay. 5 reps
per arm.
Per arm. Alright.
Is that realistic?
I think you are optimistic.
Well, I'm hoping to be very optimistic.
Yes, I would say maybe 40. 40 per...
Oh, so 40 per arm.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So 4 reps of 10.
Yeah.
Good. Go.
Let's go.
Woo. So by the way, who do you guys think will win? Is it Team Nico? Team Nick or
Choose the good. Choose the good team and not
or
me.
Team Roman? Oh. Man, can't go anymore. Oh my god.
$23.20.
23-20.
Yeah.
Think I did 15-15, 4, 19, and 120, 3, 18, I think 18, 19. So, oh my god, 18, 19. Okay, whew.
So we planned 40.
Yeah, oh my god, that was just
No,
me.
that was impossible.
Was so optimistic. Woo.
Yeah. Yeah, good challenge by the way.
Alright, oh.
Round 3.
Alright, so who starts? Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's your way to do it?
So normally we go rock, paper, scissors, that's it.
Okay. Pierre, papier, ciseaux in French.
So the best 2 out of 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. One for you.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
1-1. And the last one.
Okay.
Okay. Last one.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
No, I go first.
Okay. You go.
Okay,
first.
so
Let's go. It's up to you.
like this, just this.
Yeah. One.
That's it.
I think so.
That's it.
Yeah. That's it. Is
Okay.
it easy for you?
I think so.
Okay.
2. So close. 22. Oh my god, Dios mío, 3 más. 23. Oh, I can feel it. It's almost like when you jack. 25. I'm gonna do 26 because I don't want to stop at 25.
Go on.
I mean like, oh my god. Can I stay here for a while?
Yeah. Sure. Take your time. Take your time.
Go ahead. Oh lord.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright.
Go. It's a beast. Okay. So as I said, this is what he does every day, so he's already an expert. I'm the only one who has no idea what I'm doing.
Due to the quarantine.
Due to the quarantine. Alright, so you beat me, you bested me in 3 challenges. 3?
Yeah, the second one.
Planks.
I didn't beat you because I continued and you don't. But
No, I mean, I'll still give you because I jumped up, so I'll take the loss for the planks.
so first,
Push up, Sally.
we started by the push-ups.
Yeah.
then the planks,
Planks. Yeah,
Curls.
the curls, yeah.
and
Then this. So we need a fifth challenge.
Yeah,
and I must
right.
redeem myself. So you won 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, but I can't win.
So, hello guys, N7, I'm a beat maker, so I will show you tonight how to construct instrumentals and stuff. So if you like music, please follow and give a subscribe to that man.
Definitely. Hope you guys like the lighting too. So, on y va.
Alright guys, so I just opened FL Studio, I'm working on that software, and I will firstly show you how to construct drums, and after that we will try to find a melody, right? Let's go. Alright guys, so firstly we will try to make drums, so we will need a kick, a snare and hi-hats, so that's the fundamentals, the basics, to get a good percussion move to create the vibes. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I like I'm getting so far.
Ok, donc il y a un son qui est bien trop fort, c'est celui-là. Really? Oui, c'est largement trop fort. Après, du mixage, ça se fait avec un casque et pas avec les enceintes. Alright guys, so we did the drums and now part 2, the melodies. Let's go.
Oh, that is wicked. C'est ouf. Like at the beginning, I just love that initial, initial screams. Right? This is a scream, but I don't know.
Cool, je suis content alors, très bien.
Yeah. Oh, that's dark. Damn. It's evil.
So guys, we did the melodies, the drums, so right now we have to organize this and start to build the song. Let's go to the playlist. Tout ça c'est fait rapidement et de façon très très courte, et que en plus de la playlist, il y a le mixage qui est très important pour les niveaux en fait, de level.
Okay, so basically guys, this is the finished work. However, it's not completely finished because after having completed the playlist, you still need to organize every sound individually, ensure that everything is good when you have on your headphones. It's a lot of organization, a lot of fine tuning. So this is the unrefined work. So it's like gold before you have it in a ring. It's like just the melted metal thing, melted stone. Is that it? Is gold metal? Metal, I don't know.
Sure.
Okay, metal, I said it right, I think good. So we just hear what it sounds like. Yeah, and I'll see if I could sing a little bit. I don't know if I'll sing, but anyways. You're nervous over it. I don't think I'll sing. No, I'm too nervous to sing. I'm too nervous. I know I'm not good.
It's a very difficult exercise. Come on.
Oh man, I'm too nervous. Oh, okay, so it's your boy Roman here, okay? Going to lay down my newest beat, okay? It's really with my style, but okay.
Pro is difficult.
Okay. Alright, I don't think I have anywhere, I don't know. I think I have to. Alright, so yes guys, so we basically come to the end of the day with
N771 on YouTube if you want to check.
amazing. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big
Thumbs up. And subscribe as well.
yes, you definitely should. And last but not least, don't forget that if you want this cool watch right here, the discount code is down below in the description. With that said, see you guys next week and ciao ciao.
Bye.
Amazing, right? So first of all, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a
And thumbs up, mate. And a fuck.